the last thing we want to do is open the constraints editor. In here, I have, added some net classes for 90 ohm, 95 ohm, 50 ohm, and 45 ohm for the single. And I added all my nets to this 50 ohm class. So if the stack up changes, the trace widths and spacings on these may change, because like between my 50 ohm right here, it says I need to be 18 wide to be 50 ohms, and I need to be 23 wide to be 45. So if I put 45 in here, it says I need to be 23.2, but I just kind of round it down to 23 and make it a solid number. But here, what we're going to do is we're going to say export to Excel. So it opens an Excel spreadsheet up for us, and the macros are enabled on it. So I'm going to say go ahead and do it. And what it does is it dumps all the CES data to these Excel spreadsheet right here. So now I want to take the spreadsheet and dump the traces and clearance tab out as CSVs. So I can say PDK export the net class and clearance CSVs. So it dumps all those out to our directories.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.